Hello everyone, welcome back to CTS InfoSec. Today in this video, we will understand how to install Kali Linux in VMware. So for that, I'm going to open my browser over here and I'm going to search VMware workstation. So we have the suggestions, so we can click on that. I'm going to click on the first link. So it will take me to the VMware website where I can download VMware Workstation 17 in Windows or in Linux. So I have the download link over here and I'm going to click on that. So it will start the download process for me. So I'm going to stop it because I have already downloaded. Then we need to go and install Kali ISO image. I'm going to open a new tab and I'm going to search kali.org and hit enter. So we can see in the website we have the option to download the first Get Kali. I'm going to click on that and we can choose our platform where there are different images like installer images, virtual images and ARM, mobile, cloud. So it depends on you. You can install anyone as your requirement. I'm going to click on virtual machines because I want to download and install in the VMware. So we have the options to download in VMware, VirtualBox, Hyper-V. It depends on your operating system and also the bitrate. Here I'm going to download the 64-bit and I'm going to click on this one. Then it will start downloading the Kali machine for me. So I have to stop over here because I have downloaded it already. So I am going to cancel this. So after downloading both the software, Kali machine and the VMware machine, we need to install VMware first. So I'm going to click on that. So by double clicking, you can just start the installation process. Then you need to click on yes. So our VMware workstation is getting installed. So it may take some time to download and install all the necessary drivers. So I have the window over here, so I'm going to click on next. I'm going to check the box to accept the terms. Then I will click on next. Then next, and it will ask the prompt to create shortcuts. If you want to create a shortcut on your desktop, click on both the checks and you can just hit next and you can click on install. Now we can see it is getting installed. We need to wait for some time to complete the installation process. After the installation is complete, we can go and click on finish, or you can input the license key if you have one. So I'm going to click on finish right now here. So VMware workstation installation is complete and I have opened it in my screen over here, and you can see we have the options to create a new virtual machine or you can open a pre-built virtual machine. So in order to install Kali Linux, we need to extract the zip file. So for that you can just go and click on, you can right click and you can just right click on this and you can just extract using the WinRAR folder, and you can choose extract here so that all the files will be extracted to a folder, so which I have done it already. So I'm going back to the VMware. I'm going to click on open virtual machine and we need to find the extracted folder so that we can get the file over here. So I will select this one and I will click on the open. So this is the default configuration. We have just installed Kali Linux with the default system settings, and it will do everything for itself, and we can simply click on power on this virtual machine to start using the Kali software or the Kali operating system. As you can see, the system is booting and we are good to go. So in the first time it will take few seconds or few minutes to complete all the installation of the necessary operating system files. And we are successfully installed Kali machine and we are ready to use the operating system.